When it comes to managing your team and workflow, you might be wondering, Asana versus Microsoft Teams, which one should you choose? Both of these platforms are powerful tools, but which one really fits your needs? In this video, we'll dive into a comparison of these two, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. First thing to note, Asana is built primarily for project management, while Microsoft Teams shines as a communication and collaboration tool. Asana is perfect if you're looking to organize tasks, set deadlines, and keep track of progress. It gives you a clear overview of projects with visual tools like Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and calendars, which makes it easy to manage workloads. Next thing, Microsoft Teams is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, so if you're already using other Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, or OneDrive, it integrates seamlessly. Teams makes collaboration easy through chat, video calls, file sharing, and integrates directly with Office apps. But when it comes to task management, it doesn't quite match Asana's level of organization and detail. Teams tries to bring in task management features with its Planner app, but it's not as robust as Asana's project tracking capabilities. The third thing, Asana is user-friendly with a straightforward interface. But depending on the complexity of your projects, you might find it overwhelming at times. With lots of options, it could take a while to master all the features. Microsoft Teams, on the other hand, is extremely intuitive if you're familiar with Microsoft products, but for those who aren't, the sheer number of features can be daunting. It's not as streamlined as Asana when it comes to pure project management. Next, let's talk pricing. Asana offers a free version that includes basic task management features, with paid versions adding more advanced features like reporting, dashboards, and custom fields. Microsoft Teams also offers a free plan that includes basic features like chatting, meetings, and file sharing. However, if you want the full suite of features, especially the deeper integrations with other Office apps, Teams is part of Microsoft 365, which requires a subscription. The fifth thing, Asana's main advantage is its ability to track projects in real time. If you're managing a team and need to know exactly where everyone is at on specific tasks, Asana's clear project timelines and task assignment features are hard to beat. Teams doesn't quite offer that level of tracking, as it's more focused on communication and collaboration. You can track tasks through Planner, but the project management functionalities are definitely secondary. The sixth thing, if you care about customer support, Asana has a more specialized support team for project management queries. Microsoft Teams support is mostly geared towards Office 365 users, and while their customer service is generally good, it's not always as fast or as dedicated to project management needs as Asana's. Now, both platforms have a lot to offer, but in terms of sheer project management, if your goal is to track progress, assign tasks, and manage multiple projects at once, Asana definitely comes out ahead. However, if you're already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, Teams can be a great addition for communication and collaboration, with the benefit of integration across your other tools. But here's the thing, after trying both of these myself, I've found a better alternative. If you're looking for a tool that combines the best of project management and team collaboration, you might want to check out the platform I'm recommending in the first link in the description. With their free trial, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth giving it a shot, and you'll be able to see how it stacks up against Asana and Microsoft Teams for your needs.